guys, today we are making keema curry. This is lamb minced curry.
The first thing we need to do, puree 400 grams of tomatoes. Boil the puree for 15 to 20 minutes. We can set this aside and start making a keema curry. Fry some green cardamom, cinnamon sticks and some bay leaves. While the spices are frying, dice 3 large onions and add them to the spices. Once the onion have started to caramelize, add some ginger garlic paste and give it a good stir. To this we add green peas, Kashmiri chilli powder, Garam masala, Turmeric powder, Coriander powder, Cumin powder, 2 small green chillies and some salt. Fry this off for about 5 minutes. Add 1 kilogram of lamb mince. Once the mince brown, we can add our tomato puree, 1 cup of water and simmer this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now it's time to stir through 3/4 of bunch of chopped coriander and some lemon juice. Pour this mixture into the large serving bowl and sprinkle over some fresh coriander for garnish. This is my delicious keema curry recipe. I hope you enjoy making, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more. My name is Chef Gurpreet and this is Spicy Time.